eSpell's clients relate to automated processes very favorably because it usually means to them higher quality and lower price, which is always a good combination. eSpell has been working on localization projects for a long time, audio and video and everything in between. We've been working with voiceover artists and video studios and creative studios alike. Well, this particular client that we're talking about, they have been our partners for many years. This entailed, back in the day, machine translation and post-editing, and now it came to synthetic voices and voiceover projects, because we've been doing quite a few video projects for them. So full video localization. This entails the translation of the copy itself, transcreation of the copy itself, and all the video editing and engineering and sound engineering work. The client's need was to have a bigger amount of videos localized, and they wanted something that is a little bit more budget friendly. Budget was just part of the issues, because the other issue that we had was we had to do a lot of rounds of feedback. For example, if something was mispronounced or wasn't said in the right tone, and they wanted to re-record something, that of course is fine, and it happens, and we're accustomed to re-deliver a video with a different or an alternative cut or an alternative recording of a voiceover. But this would delay the delivery of the project by weeks sometimes. They wanted quicker deliveries of the videos themselves, and if there is something that is not up to par, like something mispronounced or something not said in the right tone, then they wanted to receive the re-delivery, the updated videos quicker. So it's not just a simple translation or transcreation process, because even with the artificial voice, you need the client's approval of the copy that we are turning into voiceover recording at the end of the project. So after transcreation, there has to be a feedback round and an approval round involving the client, and then we turn the script into voice using, text-to-speech technology with an approved voice that's also approved by our client. And once we have the script turned into speech, we have extra rounds of QA with our linguists and with our in-house QA team to make sure that everything is up to par. Once that's done, then the rest is very similar to traditional video localization project steps. So audio engineering, video engineering, and delivery. We can generate that in-house much quicker than if we had to go out and book the voiceover artist again in the studio again, which could delay the project delivery by days or weeks at a time. We do work with of course, a big pool of human voiceover artists as well. We mainly work with them for ads, where the quality has to be absolutely top-notch, 100%, and it has to be very human. Then we always use still our human voiceover artists. I believe that there will surely be fields where human voiceover will be necessary, but I think that there will be less need for it in more of on the artistic end of the spectrum. So like movies and even ad campaigns where you actually need an actor's trained voice that is very pleasant to hear. But for other kinds of projects, for example, a feature demo of a new software, or just like an educational content, I'm thinking that will be largely replaced by synthetic voices, simply because it is much easier to work with from the client's and the project management's point of view.